Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm going to show you how to prune your lavender plants. So ideally you want to do this towards the end of summer, so that's sort of August, September time, when your lavender's starting to go over. And you're doing this to maintain the shape of it and to hopefully prevent it from going leggy and woody. So what you'll need is a sharp pair of secateurs, and you want to remove all the spent lavender heads and about an inch or so of leafy growth as well to maintain a sort of even shape. So I'll just show you how to do that now. So obviously these haven't gone over yet, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you want to remove this bit, which is the flower stem, but then, as I said, about an inch of growth. So I'm going to take it to about here. And as you prune most things, you want to go above a leaf node, so just sort of here. Right, and then you just snip that off, and then you do that around the whole plant just to make sure that it's even. So after you've done that, the main thing that you want to do is to avoid any woody stems. So you don't want to cut, never ever hard cut back your lavender, because they won't put out any new shoots from woody growth. So you never want to take your secateurs anywhere near this bottom bit, because it just won't put any new growth on. That's it.